Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Tubi step by step clearly. To activate Tubi, start by downloading the Tubi app on your device. The app is available on various platforms, including smart TVs, smartphones, and streaming devices. Once the app is installed, open it. You will see the home screen with various content options. In the upper right corner, look for the sign in button and click it. If you do not have an account, you will be prompted to create one. Follow the instructions to enter your email and create a password. After creating your account, return to the sign-in page. Enter the email and password you just set up. Click the sign-in button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for the Activate Device option. You will see an activation code on the screen. Take note of this code, as you will need it for the next steps. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the Tubi activation website provided in the app. Enter the activation code from your device into the designated field. Click the Activate button to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating a successful activation. Return to your Tubi app, and you will be logged into your account. You are now ready to enjoy Tubi's vast selection of movies and TV shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.